Okay, everybody, good morning. Yay, today is the start of the 5 days of Christmas. I know normally it's 12, but we just had to shorten things up a little bit. So we're doing 5 days of Christmas. So from today, Monday, until this coming Friday, we are doing our 5 days of Christmas. So that means that every single day we will have a special for you that is available for that day only at a very special price, and you'll be able to purchase it online on our website, which is here. So when we're done with the video and the newsletter goes out, so give me a couple of minutes, you'll be able to go online to our website and you can purchase today's deal, and you will also be able to come into the shop later today once we open and purchase the deal if we have any left. Okay, so what else do you need to know? If you are out of town and you are wanting to purchase our deal, you can go ahead and mark it for shipping for this first one, and then any subsequent deals that you want later in the week, just mark it as pick up in store. We will add it to to your day one deal, and then you only have to pay the shipping one time. Okay, so our day one deal is a tote and a book. So the retail value of today's deal is $37.90, but you can purchase it for a value price of $32.99. So let me show you what it is. So it is this wonderfully large tote. It is a color wheel on one side with all of the information about a color wheel. So you've got the main color wheel and then all the different things that you can do with it. And then on the back side is a whole bunch of information. So there's like how to piece your backing. There is measurements of sizes of beds, checklists if you're going to a retreat. There's just all kinds of helpful information, both for beginner sewists and for veteran sewists. And I highly, highly recommend that you read what's on here. We discovered that it is kind of snarky. It's a little sarcastic. It's a little funny. There's also information on the bottom that's kind of funny. But the cool thing about this tote is it will fit your 18 by 24 mat, cutting mat. It'll fit your 24-inch ruler. It also has a pocket here on the inside, so it's kind of like a little divider in there. Actually, it's got two pockets, so it's got one here and then another one here. So you could put your mat in here, you can put your rulers in here, you can put your projects in here. It also has two handles, so if you want to carry it over the shoulder, like so, or if you are a shorter stature person and you want to carry it over the shoulder that way, or you just want to carry it by hand. So it's got the handles on there. Sorry, this one's been folded in half, so it's kind of wanting to fold a little bit. So you get this tote. What you also get is this all-in-one quilter's reference tote, a book. Now we call this the Bible because it has so much information in it. Normally we just keep this open to the page that tells about what size backings you need for your quilts, but it has so much more information in there. So it has a lot of information that is also on the carry-all tote, but it has a whole bunch more. So yardage, like how many squares can you get from, how many like 6.5-inch squares can you get from a certain amount of yardage, or how much yardage do you need to get X amount of 6.5-inch squares. Just all kinds of information about needles, about sewing, about just so many different things, how to piece things, how to do a Y seam. It has information on binding blocks, just so much information. So again, this is kind of like a basics book. So again, it's good for beginners and then also good for veterans. I mean, we use it all the time. Like I said, it is open constantly to the page that has, what size backing you need for your quilts. Okay, so again, here is the information. So it is the carry-all tote, which will carry an 18 by 24 ruler and or a 24-inch ruler and an 18 by 24 mat, plus all your other goodies in there. And then the quilter's reference book. So, and those are value priced at $32.99 instead of $37.90. Okay, so give me a few minutes to get this on the website and get it out in the newsletter, and then you can go ahead and order it on our website. That's the best way to make sure that you actually get the deal, because we have limited quantity. Or you can come into the shop, or you can give us a call, but we don't open until 3 today. So the best way today is to actually go to the website and go ahead and purchase that. If you're local here in town, just mark it as in-store pickup. You can pick it up today, you can pick it up later in the week if you want to wait and gather everything all together. Or if you are out of town and you need to have us ship it, go ahead and mark it to be shipped for today, but then anything, subsequent during the week, then you can just mark it as in-store pickup. Okay, so that is our day 1 deal. So tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. we will have day 2's deal, and we will carry on through the rest of the week. And we, of course, will still have our Wednesday night video the same as usual. Okay, so have a great day today. We'll see you tomorrow.